Yoobao 120,000 lumens rechargeable headlight with 10 modes, lithium 18650 batteries. We're going to open up, show you what you get inside. This is IP6 rated. It's got a motion sensor, so when you wave, it's going to turn on and off. And you got the battery pack on the back, the headlight on the front. It's adjustable, zoomable, and so forth. We have an instruction guide, everything to go about your flashlight, USB-C charging cable, and some attachments for a hard hat. Snap open, 3 18650 batteries, and they are 2000 milliamps, very easy to replace. And they have a whole bunch of controls, USB-A, so you can charge a phone, anything that you have that needs extra power. We have an input of 5 volts. We have the USB-C that we're going to plug up to a power bank and charge the unit up and allow it to charge. We're at 51%, 5 volts, nice large green lights. We can turn the lights on. Ooh, we got a red light in the back and a blue light. We have alternating red and blue and off. If we long press it, nothing happens. We long press it, it staggers. On the front of the unit, you have an on button. You got a nice large light, medium, low, flicker, SOS, and off. You have a bottom light, medium, flicker, and off. So you have a whole bunch of lights on this unit that you could turn on. And you have all these lights will show you at night. We have the light, red, blue, rapid. And I'm going to walk away for you. On the front, if I long press, I should be able to turn the light on. You have to hit the right one to do it. A hand gesture turns it on, as you can see. And if I hit the button, I can shut it off. I have a high, low, rapid, and then the other one, I have a spotlight that's adjustable, and then it'll go to a medium, a low, a rapid, an SOS, and off. And if I triple press, and it'd be the left one, I have a rapid red flash. And it's adjustable looking down. And there you go. There's the light. And you could just pick the ones you want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shine it to the stars. And you can see how bright it is. Give a nice pointed beam. And you got a really, really far beam. I will point it to the trees. And you can see the trees right there. Now this light gets pretty hot, so please be careful not to touch it. And it also acts as a power bank. There's a lot you could do with the 10 mode flashlight. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for.